Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking your bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Toyota Corolla SE in black sand pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, rear trunk spoiler lip, front sports seats, steering wheel mounted audio control, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, 6-speed manual transmission, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 67278.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.